Have you ever tried to log into a Google's product only to be asked to provide a login code from your phone? If your answer is yes, then in this video, I will show you how to find the login code on your phone. Right now, I'm recording this video on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The instruction might be a little bit different if you are using a different device. So the first thing I will do is I will go straight to the menu, then I will locate the settings. As you can see, this is the settings right on the menu. You can as well locate the settings from the notification panel. So I go ahead and click on the settings, and then I will scroll to the bottom a little bit to locate the Google menu. So this is menu for Google. I will go ahead and click on it. Immediately I click on it, the default email address for this account is open. Now, if you have multiple email address login on this phone, then you will have to go ahead and select the specific email you want to get the login code for. So I'm going to be using this default email address for this demonstration. So what I will do now is I will go ahead and click on the email address, and that is the name you are seeing right under Google services. So I click on it, and immediately I click on it, all other email addresses appear on the screen. So what I want to do now is I will click on Google account. That is under the email address I'm working with. So I click on Google account, and immediately I click on Google account, then the email address comes up. That is the information about that specific email address. You can see the name, the logo, the email address there, and underneath we have the wallet and subscription, personal information, security and sign-in, Google password, linked apps, data and privacy, people and sharing, family, account storage. Now, we are interested in security and sign-in. So I will go ahead and click on it. So immediately I click on it, another screen comes up. So we're in the security and sign-in page. So let's go to the bottom a little bit, and you will see the first one right here is we have the two-step verification. That is the first thing I have on the security and login. And the second one is security code, and that is exactly what we are looking for. So right now I will go ahead and click on security code. So immediately I click on security code, it will ask me to verify my login. This is actually very sensitive, so you need to confirm that you are the authorized person for this phone. So I will go ahead and verify with my pattern. So immediately I enter my pattern, then it will come up. In your own case, it might not be pattern. It might be a password, or it could even be a fingerprint, depending on the security setting of your phone. So for me, right now, I need to enter my pattern. So I have done that right now, and you can see the security code is right on the screen. So if I'm trying to log into a Google's product, either on my computer or another phone, this is the code I can enter for me to be able to log into that application. So I have the code 1 and code 2. Either of the two will actually work for you. So you can go ahead and enter the code, and you will be able to log in. By the way, the code is not static. If you are trying to log in again and you are asked to provide a login code, that is the same process you will follow to be able to get the login code for that moment. So if you copy these two codes right here and you save it and you think it's gonna work for you anytime, that is actually wrong. It's not going to work for you all the time. Each time Google asks you to provide a login code, just go ahead and follow the process, and you'll be able to get a code for that login attempt. So that is what I want to show you right in this video. You can go ahead and rewatch it so that you have a better understanding of how to go ahead and find your security or login code whenever you try to log into Google's product and you are asked to provide a login code from your phone. I believe with this instruction, you'll be able to do the same thing. So go ahead and like the video, and if you have a question, drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.